Yeah, what's up guys? It's your boy TrinidadFPV. So as you can see, the sun is out. I went to work today. Make my work a little late. But all in all, I keep on. I realized the sun is still out. The sun, as a matter of fact, the sun is giving me a perfect setting. So I decided all my batteries charged up. I'll throw the gears in the car and I'll head out to the field where I usually take a little fly at the cage, what we used to call the cage. There we used to do a lot of drone racing mock-ups, and it was fun and exciting while it lasted. Hopefully we can get something going again in terms of racing drones. There's no racing at the moment. I don't know. There are other guys who doing racing and stuff like that, and I don't know if they have racing going on. But we at TrinidadFPV, it doesn't have any racing going on right now. But however, we still take a little fly. A couple of my friends, they still take a little fly here and there, and hopefully we get together someday and do some racing. Hopefully we get together and invite you all, and we can we have a little drone meetup like we used to once again, So again, it's your boy TrinidadFPV. I'm out of the field here, and I'm just gonna burn some batteries and get a little fly going after I just came from work, and just to relieve my stress. Of course, drones are very, very therapeutic, as I always say. So yeah, so enjoy the flight, enjoy the video. I'll try to see how much tricks I can do here. It's a spot I usually fly. So yeah, enjoy the flight, guys. And same time, loving the house to all FPV pilots in Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah. GoPro is still recording, guys. Taking some flights here. Down at the cage. Unplug my battery. Find out battery run out quick, like. So I just walk from a drone out here at the cage, guys. You can see. Well, what we used to call the cage, you know, they dismantle it. Flying is not that safe anymore, where as before we would have had a cage to sort of section of the field to set up our race gates and stuff like that to fly. Now there isn't any cage and they're doing some work, as you can see. But nonetheless, we're still out here taking a little fly, trying to do it as safe as possible and enjoying it. Yeah. So this is my second battery. I'm going to head to battery number 3 now. And let's see how that goes. Yep.